Good morning, students. I am your math teacher. Today we will solve some more problem sums. Children, first of all, read the story problem carefully, then think what the question is asking. Now read the problem. The difference between the two numbers is this. If the smaller number is this, find the greater number. The question is asking for greater number. इस क्वेश्चन में टू नंबर्स के बीच के डिफरेंस इतना है. इफ़ यदि स्मॉलर नंबर इतने हैं तो हमें ग्रेटर नंबर फाइंड करना है. ग्रेटर नंबर फाइंड करने के लिए we will add the difference of the number and the smaller number. Okay, now write the statement. Difference between the two numbers is equal to this. Smaller number is this. Now greater number is equal to, we will add these two numbers. After doing sums we will get the answer. We will write answer. Hence the greater number is equal to this. जो भी सम करने पे आएगा. नाउ सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. The sales receipt of a company during the year 2011 was rupees this. Next year it increased by this. What was the sales receipt of the company in the year 2012? What was the total sales receipt of the company during these 2 years? एक कंपनी की सेल इतनी थी इन 2011 में. सेकेंड ईयर ये इतने रुपीस बढ़ जाती है. तो हमें सेकेंड ईयर यानी 2012 का सेल्स रिसीट निकालने के लिए 2011 के अमाउंट को और इंक्रीज्ड अमाउंट को ऐड करना होगा. राइट स्टेटमेंट. सेल्स रिसीट इन 2011 वाज दिस. नेक्स्ट ईयर इट इंक्रीज्ड बाय दिस. सेल्स रिसीट इन द ईयर 2012 इज इक्वल टू, वी विल ऐड दिस टू अमाउंट एंड और हमें ऐड करने पे 2012 का अमाउंट मिल जाएगा. नाउ वी विल फाइंड द टोटल सेल रिसीट ऑफ द कंपनी. नाउ यू विल राइट स्टेटमेंट. सेल रिसीट इन द 2011 इज रुपीज दिस एंड सेल्स रिसीट इन 2012 इज दिस. ओके, नाउ एड these two amounts. After doing sums you will get answer. Total sales receipt. Hence sales receipt of the company in 2012 is rupees itne and total sales receipt of the company is equal to rupees itne, जो भी ऐड करके आएगा. Now question number 3. There were 3 candidates in an election. They received इतने वोट्स एंड इतने वोट्स. 3 कैंडिडेट थे जिन्होंने इतने एंड इतने वोट्स प्राप्त किए, मिले उनको क्रमशः, रेस्पेक्टिवली क्रमशः. द नंबर्स ऑफ इनवैलिड वोट्स वॉज दिस. इतने वोट इनवैलिड हो गए एंड दिस इतने वोट्स, इतने पर्सन्स डिड नॉट वोट. इतने लोगों ने वोट नहीं डाला. हाउ मेनी टोटल वोट्स वर रजिस्टर्ड. टोटल वोट कितने रजिस्टर हुए, ये जानने के लिए हमें इन सारे डिजिट को ऐड करना होगा. देन यू विल राइट स्टेटमेंट. फर्स्ट कैंडिडेट received votes is equal to this. Second candidates received vote is equal to this. Third candidates received vote this. Number of invalid votes is equal to this. number of persons who did not vote, this. Now you will add all these numbers, and after doing sums you will get answer, and you will write answer. Hence इतने votes were registered. Now read question number 4. A survey conducted on an Indian state shows that इतने people have only primary education, इतने people have secondary education, इतने people have higher education, and इतने people are illiterate. If the number of children below the age of school admission be this number, find the total of that state. Find the total population of that state. टोटल पॉपुलेशन हमें उस स्टेट का निकालने के लिए सारे पीपल को, सारे नंबर्स ऑफ पीपल को ऐड करने होंगे. देन वी विल राइट स्टेटमेंट. Number of people who have primary education is this. Number of people who have secondary education is this. Number of people who have higher education is this. Number of illiterate people is this. Number of children below the age of school admission is this. Now we will add all these numbers. Okay, then we will get answer, and you will write answer. Hence the population of that village, of that state, is equal to this. After doing sums we will get answer, and we will write answer. Hence the population of that state is equal to this. Okay, now do your work. Thank you.